Hey, Zombie Mob, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Hey, I just want to give you guys a quick update on Zombie ZINU token and what price is doing, things like that. So if you are worried and all that, just kind of hopefully this video will help you. Yesterday, actually when I was doing this video yesterday, we had this nice spike. Literally we saw it live on the video happen, and then it gave it all up almost. We're kind of round trip. We're right back where we're at, right? This is what the chart looks like. Remember the stock market selling off, crypto, Bitcoin's weak, Ethereum's weak, everything's weak. This is where don't panic. Listen, we're in this for the long haul. If anything, this is where we want to be looking. I even said this yesterday in my video where I'm like, I kind of hope it goes lower because I want to be buying in this 3 to 4 range. Okay, so right now we're at 6, 7. I want this to get into the 3s. So kind of another 50% lower. I would love to be able to buy more down at that level. That is my game plan. And so I just want to kind of show you guys what's going on. Don't be fearful. Again, we're in this for the long haul. There's very little volume, no huge sellers coming in. I mean, even look at this, right? We had this big spike up, but then two green bars, and then even on the selling, the whole reversal doesn't even match up to this high, right? So just think of this as a long-term. Look at it as you're buying a company as it's being built out, right? Think of it as you bought Google 25 years ago, right? There are a couple guys in an office. That's what Zombie is, and look at where they are now. This, I believe, the Zombie team is going to do the same thing in the future with the metaverse. It will take a while, but this is consolidation. This is what happens when all the markets sell, and just kind of be safe out there and don't panic, Zombie Mob, and just look for any lower prices. It means we can add and double our positions with literally half the money, right? So if you buy $1,000 worth at 10, we'll say 10 cents, and you got 1,000 tokens, well, at 3 you could probably buy 15 billion. Sorry, I might say million. I meant billion. You could buy 15 billion tokens for 500, right? So just kind of look at this as a opportunity and not as a bad thing. So, but hey, you guys have a good weekend. Maybe I'll do a quick video. We'll see where we're at Sunday night. We'll kind of afternoon. Maybe I'll throw one out if there's anything crazy that I see. But until next time, we'll talk to you soon.